Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God.
In today's video, we are making a beautiful birthday cake for my church November bonds. Ingredients for today's cake include frosting here, which I've made into a white shade. We also have a wine color of that. We have our no sugar vanilla and milk syrup here. We have some golden balls, sprinkles, edible spirit. We have offset spatulas, some skillets for support, a piping bag, and we also have our scrapers here, a birthday topper, and our cake layers here, which includes 2 vanilla cake layers, 1 red velvet cake layer, and then 1 cookies and cream cake layer. So this is also our cutouts here for the November buns, and the cake board, the cake box, and its complete set. Ingredients for today's cake include.
Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe.
Let's jump right into making this beautiful cake. Drizzle it with the fruit syrup. So we are going to pipe some frosting here. And then I'll use the offset spatula to spread it out nicely. With the same process, I'm going to assemble the rest of the cake layers. And this is the final look of the cake. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. The next day, and this is the cake. You can see it's still intact and looks as beautiful as we did yesterday evening. I'm about to go to church, so as usual we're going to cover it with a box and then we'll continue from there. So this is it. We are all set to go to church. So this is it. Bye bye.
Christmas to you as well. This festive season, I hope it brings you joy, love, and you're able to share with all your friends and loved ones as well. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This festive season, I want to use this opportunity to let you know that Beloved Catering Service is having a promo where we are going to give some discounts on other baked goods from us. So you can check that out on the channel on our community section where the flyer is. If you are in Ghana, this is your opportunity to grab something delicious from our end, and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.